In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gift card in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a polished digital gift card ready for customers to purchase and send, all from your store. We'll start from the Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, click Products and Services. This is the hub where you manage everything you sell, and it keeps both physical items and digital offerings, like gift cards, in one place. Next, select Products. This opens your product catalog and the tools you'll use to add and organize what's available in your store. Inside the Products area, head to the Gift Cards tab and click Add Gift Card. This is where the magic happens. Gift cards in Squarespace are digital by default, which means they're delivered via email and don't require shipping. They work great for promotions, last-minute gifts, and letting customers choose exactly what they want. Now enter the details. Give your gift card a clear and inviting title, and write a short description that explains how it can be used. It helps to mention any important terms, like whether the card has an expiration date, and a brief note on where it can be redeemed, such as your online store. Set your pricing by adding the denominations you want to offer. Common choices might be fixed amounts that match your average order value, but choose what fits your business best. If you offer multiple denominations, keep them simple and easy to understand. Add an image that reflects your brand. A clean, high-resolution image with your logo or a seasonal theme can make the gift card feel special. Make sure the image looks good at different sizes, since customers may view it on both desktop and mobile. Edit inventory if needed. Many sellers leave gift cards with no inventory limit since they're digital. But if you prefer to control availability, for example, during a special promotion, you can adjust those settings to match your plan. It's a good idea to double-check visibility settings so the gift card appears in your storefront where you expect it to. When everything looks right, click Save. Squarespace will add the gift card to your product list, and it's now ready to be purchased alongside your other items. You can always come back to tweak the description, upload a new image, or adjust denominations as your needs change. And there you go. That's all you need to add a gift card in Squarespace. Keep it clear, on brand, and easy to buy, and your customers will love the flexibility.